Ever wondered what happens when table tennis gets sticky, archery turns toasty, and chaos takes over your phone? Apple Arcade's dropping What the Clash in May, and it's about to flip your gaming world upside down. Stick around to see why this quirky gem, plus 4 other new games, are your next obsession. Hey gaming crew, welcome back to GadInsider. Apple just spilled the beans. 5 fresh titles are hitting Apple Arcade on May 1st. Headlining the pack, What the Clash, a wild, exclusive multiplayer riot from the geniuses at Triband. Let's dive into this chaotic party and the rest of the lineup. First up, What the Clash. Think fast-paced, one-on-one battles where you mix table tennis, archery, racing, and tag into absurd combos like sticky tennis or milk the fish. It's the follow-up to Triband's award-winning What the Car, and you can customize your stretchy hand avatar with eye patches and earrings for extra goofiness. Solo or with friends, this one's a leaderboard climbing blast. Next, with My Buddy, a cozy sim where you cuddle virtual puppies and kittens. It's all warm fuzzies and chill vibes. Then, Lego Friends Heart Lake Rush Plus, an endless racer with colorful Lego chaos. Love word games? Words of Wonder Search Plus brings slick word search action. And Sumi Sumi Matching Puzzle Plus. Match cute San X stars like Rilakuma, pure adorable fun. Why is this dropping jaws? What the Clash is exclusive to Apple Arcade. No ads, no in-app cash grabs, just pure play for $6.99 a month. Triband's last hit snagged Mobile Game of the Year at the 2024 DICE Awards, so this sequel's got pedigree. Postonics are buzzing. Fans call it hilarious chaos and the ultimate party game. The other 4, they're rounding out Arcade's 200-plus game catalog with something for everyone. Kids, racers, puzzle nerds, you name it. May 1st is basically a gaming holiday, and it's all playable across iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV, even Vision Pro. Google's got nothing on this vibe. Picture this, you're smashing your bestie in What the Clash with a toasty archery combo. What's your go-to move? Or maybe you're chilling with My Buddy's pups. Which pet's your favorite? Drop your pick in the comments.